Well, good morning. I'm going to speak pretty quickly here at the Salton Sea, and today I'm going to be opening up the DaVinci Disco Slalom wing 18 meter, and I got some help through London Ivey to get this wing as well. As you know, I flew the RPM just about a week ago, and I've been flying it down here. It's been so incredibly fast. I'm absolutely blown away at 53 miles an hour the other day, and it was awesome. So this is a slalom wing. It should be way faster and way better. So as you can see, I'm competing a lot with all of the other planes that are going on, but I'm going to go ahead and just open it up and make this quick and dirty. Not to mention here, I don't know if you look in the background, but I got Santa Croce right over here, Minion, Fly It Wyatt, all the big kids. I'm not a big kid at all, but all the big kids here and all the guys who really have a name for themselves, doing some cool racing and some really cool maneuvers up there. Super cool guys, and if you've never been here to the Salton Sea and you're a paramotor pilot, you've got to come on out, man. Project Airtime is something that I think Santa Croce does. If you don't know anything about it, definitely go look it up, but it helps to support people to get in the air if they've been injured. And yesterday Chris took up I think he was a paraplegic, and got him into the air, and you should see him smile on some of these guys to go do that. So definitely support that cause, and of course, as you all know, I support Researchers PPG that helps veterans learn how to fly paramotors. I don't know if you guys can all see this, but one of the things that's quite different on this glider is it just has the thin lines that go all the way through, and it's not actually sheathed. I kind of liked it because you can kind of see what's going on, but it does make them quite a bit lighter. So I think that's kind of a nice feature that I'm seeing here. Trimmed in, it looks like it's the standard, and dynamic steering on the outside to the tip. my God. Everybody knows I like flying the Snake 1.2, but this wing might have just become my new favorite wing. It's fast and very, very maneuverable. I kind of like the brake setup for the split or for the tip steering. A lot of them have them tied into the center. This is a little wider. One of the things I'm having to get a little more used to on this glider and the RPM is that the risers and the brake toggles sit a little bit higher than I'm used to. I've always sort of had my arms here, so my arms get a little bit more tired, but like everything else, you just get used to it really quick. And I fly hands off a lot because I'm doing cross country. So there it is. Thank you, London Ivey. If you haven't worked with London before, at CloudbasePPG, give the man a call. Flow all kinds of gliders, right? He teaches, he sells you the right equipment for what you need to learn to fly. So give London a call. Catch you next time.